what you hearing, listen. It's what you hearing, listen. It's what you hearing, listen.
Oh no, that's not it. Just a second. Hold on. Oh, what a fantastic song. So much for monetizing this video. Ah, here we are.
What's going on, guys? Keyser here from keyserreveal, and I'm back again with some more cool desk setup ideas. This time I went with a DeadPool theme. For my headset I went with the Razer Kraken 7.1 V2 Chroma. Now these things are built really well, and the 7.1 surround sound really immerses you in the game. Now I haven't done a full review on these yet, but I'm going to do a comparison between these and a couple of other gaming headsets, so be on the lookout for that. And for my headphone hanger, I'm using a plastic mannequin that I picked up from Amazon. Now this time around I went with the Razer Ornata Chroma Mecha Membrane keyboard. This keyboard features some really vibrant chroma RGB lighting and has one of the softest wrist rests that I've ever used. Now these aren't mechanical switches, but they do a really good job mimicking the sound and feel. For my mouse I went with the Logitech G502 Proteus Spectrum. Now this is hands down my second favorite mouse next to the MX Master 2S. The Spectrum features 11 programmable buttons, DPI settings that range between 200 to 12,000, and additional weights for controlling the balance and weight of the device. Definitely worth checking out. And just below that, I'm using a Razer Firefly mousepad. For lighting, I'm using the 3D DeadPool table lamp by Supernuit. Now I'm pretty sure that's not how you pronounce it, but anyway, this light allows you to choose between 7 different RGB colors, and it's supposed to replicate this kind of 3D effect. Now this is kind of a hit or miss. From some angles you can kind of sorta see it, but it's still a pretty cool accessory anyway. For audio I went with the Razer Noma Chroma. Now I really like the look of these speakers, and the RGB lighting definitely adds to the whole gaming environment. Now as far as sound, these actually get pretty loud while still preserving clarity. Now the bass isn't going to blow you away, nor will the high end. These have more of a mid-range sound, and at 150 bucks, I don't know if this is the best option, but you can pick up the non-chroma version for about 99 bucks, and that seems a bit more reasonable. For my monitor, I'm using the 24-inch Asus MG248 Full HD gaming monitor. It has a 1 millisecond response time, 144Hz refresh rate, FreeSync, and is definitely a solid choice for gaming. Now I'm using the same glass top desk from the Black Panther setup, but this time I mounted a mirror underneath, placed LEDs on the inside, and created this cool infinity effect. Now this creates the illusion that there's no bottom, but actually it's simply the LEDs reflecting off the mirror and then off the glass. Now because I went with the whole DeadPool theme, I decided to pick up these twin samurai swords and strap them to the chair. Now I know the headrest is on backwards, I only did that for this shot because it looks cooler from this angle. Now the guys at Allkey did sponsor this video and was kind enough to send me this gaming chair. This adjustable high back chair is made of PU leather and high density foam, has a class 3 gas lift that can support up to 300 pounds, includes a headrest and lumbar support, reclines from 90 to 170 degrees, features a rocking function, and the height can be adjusted from 17.7 to 21.6 inches. Now this chair is priced at 149 bucks, so you can't expect it to have the same quality as some more expensive ones. But what I will say is that it definitely could use a bit more padding. Now personally, I prefer firmer chairs, but this one is a bit too firm for me. But if you guys are interested, I'll leave a link in the description for this chair as well as all of the items in this video. So until next time, peace.